Borgu local government chairman Honorable Suleiman Yumu officially commissioned his campaign office ahead of 2023 general election for Niger State House of Assembly, Borgu constituency. The office is located in New Busa, Ibadan Way, front of Tolu Pharmacy.
I am contesting just because of my people. I have so many missions and I have a very good ambition to help our people. That ambition will take me through and it will lead me where I am hoping to. Then I will try as much as possible to do my best in terms of youth empowerment by the grace of God.